Hi Joe, hi potential rock stars, I'm Naomi from The Hero. I wanted to record you guys a video so you know exactly what to expect from the Rockstars course. I started thinking about it in July of 2017. I hit my 30s and I decided that I really wanted to change the direction I was going in. I'm already self-employed, so it wasn't a case of jumping in and thinking, oh, I need help doing that. But I wanted to do something properly. So I looked around, did the usual typing, virtual assistants, training, that sort of thing, and Joe came up. Now, originally I was a bit concerned about doing the Rockstars course because I hadn't even joined her Facebook page. It was a case of I saw it, I liked what I read, got in touch with Joe, asked a couple of questions, and she came back to me really quickly. So I jumped head first, and I got the course, and by end of August I was set up with a path of what to do. I hadn't finished the Rockstars course because that is an ongoing thing. So I got my website built. I can do that myself because I'm a website designer, but all the other bits I needed just some structure. You read so much information, you can get information overload, but the course really helps you. It gives you a direction of which to travel, so it takes you through steps. So as long as you follow the steps and you follow Joe's instructions, you can get set up really quite easily if you have the time to put into it straight away. What I found was really most helpful are the Facebook groups, and I can't recommend them highly enough. The support and help you get from all the members, whether they're in the free group, they're in the Rockstars, everyone's got your back. If you have a question, no matter how silly it seems, you can go, you can do it. I love the course because when you sort of hit a stumbling block, you can go back to it. Just because you sort of finish the course and you think, oh yes, I've ticked all those off, I still go back to it today and just refresh my memory on certain things that I should be doing. If I think I'm getting a little bit lost in the direction I'm going and just need a bit of a pick-me-up, that's where I go. That's the pages I go to. Now, when I started, as I say, I went head in and I bought the full course straight away, and it was a bit risky in some respects because I didn't know Joe, I hadn't been on the Facebook groups, but it was worth every penny. I actually got everything set up, and within a couple of months of actually launching as a virtual assistant, I'd made the money back. I'd paid for the course and all the little extras that I'd put into it, all the other bits of extra courses that I recommended, so Luann's course, and a couple of other bits and bobs that don't necessarily come to mind when you start setting up. And I got out there, I got the networking because Joe helps you figure that out, and I'd started making the money and actually covering the costs of it within a couple of months of setting up and getting going. So I just really wanted to say, if you want to do it, if you're serious about doing it, just go for it. You've got the option of paying up front, or you can pay in instalments, so just go, give it a try. Everyone's great help, Joe's an amazing support, and I love doing it. I've built up a great network of friends, some of which we've met, some I haven't, and without them I think I would have sort of given up and not made a real go of it. I'm so pleased to have. I can see myself carrying this on for a long time and hopefully giving me the flexibility of going travelling, seeing my family overseas that I don't get to see very often in the flesh, and just having a bit more time and a bit more flexibility. I like working from my desk, I like having that structure, but having that option to just say, right, I need a couple of days. As long as I'm up to date with things, I can do that. So really, if you've got any concerns, join the Facebook group. If you're not already on the original Facebook group, ask your questions. We're all there to help, and Joe will be there to answer questions on the Rockstars whenever you need it. And she knocks around on the other page as well, so don't be afraid to ask your questions. Good luck, buy the course, see you soon, bye.